Don't.
Okay.
Basically, we got the yellow bag, and this is like, if we want to buy something, we just write down the
The number.
place and numbers, something like that, and then we can actually order. We don't really have to
At the
carry
end?
everything. It's quite heavy here.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells really good. I feel like I'm the only foreigner here. And then, if you want something, you write down what this? This.
Oh, yeah. And basically, if you want to buy this, you are not able to.
Of course
carry it,
not.
right? So you just write down the number right here.
Okay, and this
they're gonna
is
deliver
almost
it.
1 minute.
Hi, this is our house.
Welcome. We're gonna...
Nicely. Nicely, yeah. I'm so bad.
See, I can see.
So bear with that.
Everyone can see.
Everyone can. The sauce is so good. Gonna be a nice boyfriend. The sauce is really nice, right? Let me take a bite. Just dip it into sauce like that.
Oh, it's really good.
Look at that. Look at that. It's good, right? Yeah. How's that?
It's really good.
Cheers. Don't. What the hell? I'll kill you. Don't. That's mine. Let's go. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
We lost a little bit. We had to walk a lot of stairs, and it wasn't that way. So we had to went down, and the entrance was next to that place.
감사합니다. Let's go. 가자.
He said hi.
Hi. He says hi. He said hi.
I like them.
You like them?
They're weird. Look, hola.
Any wishes to make?
Yes.
What? You just. Make wish. I got it.
Yeah. Call him. My precious. My precious.
Ah!
Careful.
Careful.
Underground.
Top. Oh,
What?
water just dropped. Bleh. Oh my god. So many stairs. Let's go. Oh, I'm so tired.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, my shoulder. Oh my god.
Hulk. He's really angry. He doesn't like to be here.
Let's go. Delicious. Oh, it says you're not supposed to drink. It says you're not supposed to drink.
Go. What are you doing? That's a Korean drink?
there was a section where we can try wine. Despite the fact that I don't like wine, I kind of wanted to try, but I couldn't try because I have to dry, obviously.
I tried the wine, like lightly red wine, and it was really sweet.
How is it? Good? I want to try. I want to try. Nope. And night we're gonna have dinner with one of my friends who came over from Singapore. Today is her last day in Korea, so we're gonna have dinner with her. I don't know what, but we're gonna see her.
We still have to decide what to.
Let's hit the
Yeah,
road.
let's go.
Your day, past 2 days,
Yes.
it's gonna be on YouTube.
She's here. Look at that.
Goodbye. 안녕히 가십시오.